Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, the fastest growing gear site on the web. And today we're going to uncrate the Legend Suspension AXEO Monotube fork kit. What's up, Speed Addicts fan? Before we jump in and tell you about these Monotube cartridges from Legend, do us a favor, subscribe to that Speed Addicts channel. It'll do you a favor too, because you'll get the first look, you'll get educated on the latest parts and gear coming into the power sports industry. If you subscribe now, you don't have to worry about missing out. Also, if you'd like to support us here at speedaddicts.com, you could do so by simply shopping with us. There will be a link in the description below that'll take you right over to speedaddicts.com, where you can view the entire selection of Legend suspension, because they are the GOATs when it comes to Harley-Davidson suspension. Not just front end, they got coilovers, they got air shocks, they've got all the high-end kit that you need to set up your Harley properly. Now, when it comes to the front end of your Harley-Davidson, if only the best will do, you want the AXEO Monotube kit from Legend Suspension. Now, if you're not familiar with the folks at Legend, they only make Harley-Davidson suspension, and they were founded in the late 90s. They were the first guys making air ride suspension for the Softails, but now, like I said, they've got coilovers and they've got front end solutions. Now, the Monotube cartridges are not inexpensive. They do not make cheap springs over at Legend, just these high-end Monotube cartridges. But when it comes to diving, bottoming out, no matter the load, this is what you want. $8.99 makes a set of these AXEO Monotube kit cartridges yours. The installation is relatively straightforward. If you mess around with front-end suspension, you should be able to take it on no problem. Now, there's various diameters. They have a 39mm kit, a 43mm kit, and they also have a 2-inch lift available as well. Okay, so something for everyone. They are meant to be used with a stock diameter front wheel. I did want to include that. Now, these are sold in pairs, so you're going to get two when you order these. This is a damper and spring setup, and this does have a floating piston with preload adjustment. Now, they don't make different spring rates or anything like that. They make one unit for your make that can, or model, that can be adjusted. So follow the instructions carefully, and depending on your load, you can set the preload and pretty much take on any setup. You've got a passenger most of the time, you ride with a lot of luggage, whatever you need, you can dial it in. Now, this is a performance setup, but it will eat up those little bumps and be perfectly adequate, or just an awesome ride for most of us weekend warriors who are going to go out there. We want a nice smooth ride, but if we push the bike, we're braking hard, we're cornering hard, we still want that performance. You don't want the bike diving, okay? That is what this is about, and of course the dreaded bottoming out. Okay, that's what we're solving for here. Okay, lifetime warranty on this stuff from Legends. Again, they are in Sturgis, South Dakota, the Mecca. They know what they're doing when it comes to Harley-Davidson suspension, so they're going to put that lifetime warranty on this stuff, which is nice considering the amount of money that we're going to invest here. It's Machine 303 stainless strutted preload adjustment down here. Again, follow the instructions. If you're not familiar with front end suspension, stay away from it. Have a trusted installer take care of that work for you. Now, if you're not sure which part number to order at Speed Addicts, although we do have some help there in terms of shop by vehicle, if you're still not sure, talk to our writer support team. They are paid to help you out over there, over the phone, live chat, or emails. You can definitely talk to a human. That does it for today. We'll see you next time to find out what's in the crate.